American 2124 is with you, leveling off at 10,000 feet.
2124, New York approach, LaGuardia camera 3046.
3046, thank you.
2124, when you have the opportunity, we're going to need fuel, people on board, and the nature of the emergency.
Roger, we got a hydraulic failure, and we got about an hour's worth of fuel on board. Yeah.
You can get me the people when you get the chance.
American 2124, 27 sold.
2124, thank you. 2124, they're trying to figure out what runway they're going to want to put you on. I understand that when you land, you're going to have to be towed off the runway. Is that correct?
That is correct.
We're going to try to figure out. We're waiting for the Port Authority to let us know which runway they're going to expect you to land.
Understand.
American 2124, descend and maintain 7,000 and plan runway 13 right.
Down to 7,000, we'll plan on 13 right, American 2124.
American 2124, contact approach 125.7.
25.7, so you know. American 2124 is checking in now at 9.7 down to 7,000 feet.
All right, American 2124, they're asking, are you able to accept runway 22 left?
We'd like to have a longer runway.
So American 2124, you want 13 right?
13 right would be great.
Okay, expect the VOR runway 13 right approach. You good with that?
We've got to drop the gear manually, and we've got to slow flaps and all that stuff. We kind of need a straight in going in. Do I need a different runway for that?
American 2124, how much of a final do you need?
We're going to need about 9-10 miles final. American 816 with you.
American 816 heading 040. I'll get back down the approach.
040?
York on 643 heavy, maintaining 1,000.
American 2124, can you take a visual to 13 right?
We can take a visual to 13 right.
York on 643 heavy.
KLM 643 heavy, I got you here. Expect RNAV Zulu 13 left approach.
Copy, Arnav Zulu 13 left, KLM 643 heavy.
Delta 612 heading 060, RNAV Zulu 13 left approach.
060, RNAV Zulu 13 left, request the RMP at 612.
Delta 612, maintain 3,000, altimeter 3047.
9 for 3, 3047, that's 612.
American 2124, heading 020, descend to 3,000 for the visual to 13 right.
Okay, 020 on the heading, and I'm sorry, you said 7,000 right?
Maintain 3,000, American 2124.
Down to 3,000 feet, American 2124.
KLM 643 heavy, descend and maintain 4,000, altimeter 3047.
Descend and maintain 4,000, 3047, KLM 643 heavy.
American 816, descend and maintain 3,000, altimeter 3047.
3,000 and 3047, American 816, and which approach can we expect?
American 816, RNAV Zulu runway 13 left approach.
RNAV Zulu 13 lefting.
Approach, that's 612. You just told us to expect the RNAV. Can we get the RMP, please?
Sim. Seabird 33 kilo heavy, heading 290.
Red heading 290 degrees, 23 kilo heavy.
American 2124 needs the fuel in pounds. American 816, turn left heading 270.
270, American 816.
Delta 612, turn left heading 270.
Left 270, that's 612.
Endeavor 4969, heading 060 for RNAV Zulu 13 left approach.
060, RNAV Zulu 13 left, Endeavor 4969. 7,200 pounds for American 2124.
American 2124, thank you. KLM 643 heavy, heading 220.
Heading 220, KLM 643 heavy.
American 2124, speed is your discretion. Airport's about 9 o'clock and 13 miles.
American 2124, right there. We're slowing up as good as we can.
And I'm sorry, 3 o'clock and 13 miles.
2124.
Seabird 33, sorry, American 816, reduce speed to 210.
210 speed, American 816.
Endeavor 4969, speed 210.
210 on the speed, Endeavor 4969.
Delta 612, speed 210, and you wanted the RMP?
210 the speed, yes, we'd like the RMP, that's 612.
612, expect the RMP.
Expect the RMP, thank you, no 612.
American 2124 heading 040.
American 2124, roger.
And American 2124, 3 o'clock and 12 miles now.
American 2123.
American 2124, turn right heading 090.
090, American 2124.
American 2124, descend to 2,800.
2,800, American 2124.
American 2124, airport now about 1 o'clock and 9. American 2124, do you have the airport in sight?
Airport inside, American 2124.
American 2124, for the visual approach, runway 13 right.
Radar 13 right, American 2124.
Endeavor 4969, reduce speed to 190.
190 knots, there, 4969.
Delta 1327, speed 210.
Delta 1327, we're doing 210.
KLM 643 heavy heading 250.
Heading 250, KLM 643 heavy.
American 21 at 24, tower 119.1.
19-1, good day. American 2124, visual 13 right.
American 2124, Cody Tower, wind 1207, the emergency equipment is standing by, runway 13 right, clear to land.
Clear land 13 right, American 2124.
Tower is at 33 kilo heavy. We are approaching Kanazi on the RNAV Zulu 13 left.
Iberia 33 kilo heavy, Cody Tower, wind 1208, runway 13 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 13 left with 33 kilo heavy, thanks.
Car 99, Cody Tower at Papa Alpha, proceed on runway 13 right, caution jet blast.
9 position over Tokyo, Papa.
American 2124, you're able to exit the runway?
Affirmative.
American 2124, roger, left Lima, taxi right Bravo, hold short Kilo Golf.
We'll stop across the whole short line. We'll be able to get off, but that's about it.
Okay, sounds good. American 2124, exit runway 13 right, and you can stop at your leisure, and the vehicles are en route.
Roger, thank you.